Hi, Vanakkam and welcome to Yeshwanth's Kitchen. I am your Yeshwanth. Eating seasonal fruits has many benefits right from cost to taste. Today we are going to make summer special custard fruit salad with the fruits available during summer. Before we move on to the recipe, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell to get regular updates from Yeshwanth's Kitchen. Let's start. To make custard fruit salad, we have milk, apple, green apple, pomegranate, mint leaves, strawberries, pineapple, custard powder, cardamom powder, bananas, grapes, sugar, pista and almonds. Add milk, custard powder, and sugar. Whisk it well. Ensure the custard powder is mixed completely. Switch on the gas. Cook it over low flame to avoid lumps. The custard has started thickening. It's time to add cardamom powder and a pinch of salt. And switch off the flame. Allow it to cool completely and store it in the refrigerator. The custard is completely cooled now. Take a bowl, add all the fruits except pomegranate, mint and nuts. Add custard sauce and mix it well. The salad is ready. I am going to taste it. It is very simple dish. If you find challenges to make your kids eat fruit, then your work will be easy by this salad. I hope you enjoyed my salad. Please subscribe my channel if you like my video. We'll meet you with an interesting recipe again. Until then, bye from Yeshwanth.